Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're going to be talking about this new and not so new social media. Turns out it's been out for a while now, but everyone is jumping on the bandwagon. If you know me, you know that I've been saying that social media is becoming less and less attractive to people, so this might be a breath of fresh air. The social media app we're talking about is, of course, Vero or Vero. I'm not even sure how to pronounce that. But in this video, we're not actually going to go through everything about the app. I'm actually working on a video specifically on this app where I'm gonna show how it works and why you should use it. Why is it better than Instagram or Facebook or Twitter? But that's in another video that will come soon. So subscribe if you want to see this video. For now, what I want to do is answer a huge problem that people have been having. If you go to the apps page, all the negative reviews, you will see it's people that are having trouble connecting to the app, confirming their account via their cell phone. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can actually create an account from your phone and get it activated. Okay, first of all, you need to go to your app store. If you're using an Android, it's going to be the Play Store. If you're using a Apple, it's going to be the Apple Store. Once your app is downloaded and installed, you will be prompted with this new screen. For the first time you're opening it, it's going to ask you to either log in or sign up. So we're going to click on that sign up button, and from there it will ask you basic information: your name, your email, and your password. For some reason, it doesn't really verify your email address, so that means if you don't have access to your inbox, it's not a problem. You will still be able to connect to it. Now, once this is done, it will actually ask you for your phone number. It actually already had the +33, that is kind of the area code for friends. So all I had to do is just type in the rest of the number. Once you've entered your phone number, it will tell you that you will receive a call giving you the code for activating your account. The thing is, this is kind of buggy because I'm guessing a lot of people are joining at once. So what is going to happen is that you're actually going to receive a text message. So make sure that on your phone, you're able to receive text messages. And inside that text message, you will get the activation code, and you no longer need to wait for the call. Basically, what the call is just a robot saying the activation number over and over again. So if you don't get the call, it's not a problem. You can still activate it with the SMS, the text message that you're gonna receive. Once you got the code, you don't even have to wait for the timer to go all the way down. You can just type it in and it will activate your account. Now, some people say that they never received the text message. Well, what you can do is maybe use someone else's phone number to see if they received the message. It took me about 15 minutes to actually get the call they were talking about, but at this point I had already activated my account, so I didn't really care. What you're seeing on screen, by the way, is a fake account that I'm going to delete after releasing this video. So that's pretty much it. This is how you activate your account on Vero or Vero. I really need to hear someone official say the name so I can know exactly how to pronounce it. But yeah, as I said, I'm working on a video where I'm gonna say all the details about this. I know I usually make content about live streamers and content creator, but since this is a new social media platform that everyone is jumping on, I think it might be the next big thing, so it's good to take it sooner or later. So you want to make sure you don't miss this video that I'm talking about, so please click the subscribe button and even that bell notification icon. So that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Get Level out.